So as you see, this is new Fountaine Pajot's new Saona 47, and that hydraulic bathing platform is one of the new features of the boat. Again, Berth Roccapo design. I think they've done a brilliant job with this coach roof and giving it a sleek look. Helm station area, accessible from the side decks or from the cockpit. Similar setups we see on most modern cats. Lines all brought to one area with good tail stowage. This one sets the wheel, helm station area, aft slightly. You can sit in comfort with a good view over the coach roof, and the relaxation area up on the fly bridge itself, separate from the sailing area, which is a good idea. Fountaine Pajot's done an amazing job with this boat, inside and out, in terms of styling. Big galley area with that island work surface, very much connected to the cockpit, and you couldn't really wish for a lot more natural light or views than that. I'm told as well that they've managed to get a similar amount of accommodation space as the 50, and have a look at that, how much space there is in these hulls. It's incredible. Full island berth. Nice aft facing port light. Walk-in shower, look at that. Walk-in shower on a 47-foot cat. amazing feeling of space in this cabin. How wide it is. Big open bulkhead. Definitely wouldn't turn down a cruise on here. Maybe I'm getting too fond of my creature comforts.